In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the ring diameter tool that comes with the jewelry kit that I make for Rhino. You would use the ring diameter tool anytime that you want to create a sizing circle for a ring and you want to set the diameter of it directly and you don't care about the ring size so much. So you would start off by clicking on the ring diameter tool and you'll get a preview of the sizing circle and you'll get the ring diameter tools dialog box. In this dialog box, you can set the diameter either with a slider or by typing in the value directly. And you can also set the seam position to either the top or the bottom. Once you're happy with the diameter and the seam position, you can click on Finalize to make it become part of the Rhino document. And if we go over to the layers, you can see that a sizing circle layer has been created and we can turn that off and on. And also if we click on or select the sizing circle and go to the Object Properties tab, you can see that it is called Size and then it has the actual diameter of the sizing circle. And that's how you use the ring diameter tool that comes with the jewelry kit that I make for Rhino.